Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the numbers. So what is numbers? So numbers are the arithmetic value by which we can represent any quantity or for using making any calculation. Number are the arithmetic value by which we can represent any quantity or using making calculation. So now we discuss about the types of number or different types of number. Here first one is the natural number, which is denoted by capital N. And natural numbers are nothing, simply the numbers which are start from 1. So these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. going up to infinity. These are the natural numbers. The numbers which are start from 1, these numbers are natural number. Second one, come to the whole number, and it is denoted by capital W. And whole numbers are nothing, it is similar like natural number, but it is start from 0, including 0 and natural number. So it is start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. It is going to up to infinity. So next number, it is the integers. Integers are denoted by capital Z. Integers are nothing but it is the number. Integers are the numbers which includes positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Including these three, integers are present. But it stands from negative infinity to positive infinity. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then after come to the odd number. So what are odd number? The number which are not divisible by 2, those numbers are called odd number. So the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. Next one is the even number. So what is the even number? Opposite of odd number. That is the number divisible by 2 is called even number. So any number which is divisible by 2 are even number. So these are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. It will be. Then after come to the prime number. So what is prime number? Prime numbers are the numbers which belongs to the natural number, and these numbers have only 2 factors. One factor is 1 and another factor is that number itself. So these 2 factors only prime number have. Prime number has only 2 factors. The one is the 1, another one is the number, that number itself only. So example of this prime number 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, it will going to any number whose factors only 2, 1 and that number itself. Next one is the composite number. Composite number is nothing but this is also belongs to natural number. Composite numbers is opposite of the prime number. The number which have factors more than 2. That means prime number have only 2 factors and composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Any numbers whose have factor more than 2, those numbers are called composite number. So example of this numbers are 4, 6, 9, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. These numbers are here. In prime number, if we see 1 have only 2 factor, 1 into 1, 3 have only 2 factor, 1 into 3, 5 have only 2 factor, 1 into 5, 7 have only 2 factors, 1 into 7, similar like this. In 17 have 1 into 17, similar like this. But in composite numbers, 4 have 3 factors, 1 into 2 into 2, 3 factors. Then after 6, 1 into 2 into 3. Then 8, 1 into 2 into 4, similar like this. And if we draw the Venn diagram of these numbers, natural number, then after if we include 0 with the natural number, it will become whole number. With the whole number, if we add negative numbers 1, 3, 5 or negative numbers, this will become integers. So these are the Venn diagrams of these numbers: natural number, whole number, and integers. Thank you.